Understanding, they say that, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, they say that. This phrase is common in English conversations and writing, but its meaning and usage can sometimes be confusing for learners of English. Let's dive in and understand it better. They say that is a phrase used to indicate that a statement or opinion is not one's own, but rather something heard from others or commonly believed. It's a way of referencing general opinions or beliefs without specifying who they are. This phrase can be used to introduce a widely accepted belief or opinion, share a rumor or unverified information, indicate a common saying or proverb. Let's look at some examples to understand how they say that is used in different contexts. 1. General belief. They say that eating carrots improves your eyesight. 2. Rumor. They say that the new restaurant is going to open next week. 3. Common saying. They say that a stitch in time saves 9. In each of these examples, they say that introduces information that is not personally verified by the speaker but is taken from external sources. Discussing popular beliefs. When you want to talk about something that is commonly believed or understood. Sharing rumors or unverified information. To convey information that you have heard but not confirmed. Quoting sayings or proverbs. When mentioning well-known sayings or proverbs. Remember, using they say that distances you from the information, showing that it's not based on your personal knowledge or opinion. Be careful when using they say that, as it can sometimes make your information seem less credible or too vague. It's important to use it when the source of the information isn't crucial. Avoid overusing it in formal or academic writing. Be aware that it might imply a lack of personal endorsement or certainty about the information. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, they say that. It's a handy phrase in English, useful for referring to general beliefs, rumors, or sayings. Remember, the key is to use it appropriately depending on the context and the message you want to convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.